Now see the question number 4.8. 4.8. Yes. A closely wound solenoid 80 centimeter long, means the total length of solenoid is 80 centimeter. Its total length is 80 centimeter. Long has 5 layers of windings of 400 turns each, means here there are the 5 layers of windings. As you can see here, if you see that वो जो जिसको हम कहते हैं जिसमें थ्रेड की रील बंधी होती है ना, चरखी में जैसे क्या होता है जो पतंग उड़ाने में यूज होती है, इन that which we say manja, there are the number of layers of that thread. It's clear. So here there are the 5 layers of the winding. There is one layer, then over that there is the second layer, then over that there is the third layer, then over that there is fourth layer, and then fifth layer. So total how many layers are there? 5 layers. And each layer is consisting how many turns? 400 turns. So total number of turns in 80 centimeter. Total number of turns in 80 centimeter length, that you know it is equal to 5 into 400. This we denote, total number of turns are denoted by capital N. It's clear. Here L is given 80 centimeter, that is 0.8 centimeter. It's clear, 0.8 centimeter. Then the diameter of the solenoid. Diameter of the solenoid means this is the solenoid. Here diameter of the solenoid means this thing. This is given how much? This is given 2r equals to 1.8 centimeter. 1.8 centimeter. If the current carried is 8 ampere, solenoid is carrying how much current? 8 ampere. You have to estimate the magnitude of magnetic field inside the solenoid near its center. Now see here, this is a solenoid of finite length. It's clear. So what will be the magnetic field well within the solenoid at the center of solenoid? It is equals to mu naught into small n into capital I. It's clear. But if you see at the edges, then it will become half of the which is at the center. Half of which is at center. Suppose at center it is 10 Tesla. Then at the poles, here at the ends of solenoid, it will become 5 Tesla. It's clear. But we have to find magnetic field at the center, means well within the solenoid. In the beach of solenoid, that you have to find. It's clear. So you can see here magnetic field at center of solenoid. B equals to mu naught n into small I. What is small n? It is the number of turns per unit length. Number of turns per unit length, which is equals to capital N upon L. Capital N upon L into I. You substitute the value. 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Capital N is 2000. Small l is 0.8. It is 0.8 meter. It's clear. 80 centimeter means 0.8 into I is 8. So when you will simplify, it will become 4 into 3.14. 10 to the power minus 7 and 10 to the power minus 3. So it will be 10 to the power 3. 3 zeros means 10 power 3. So ultimately you will get 10 power minus 4 into 2 into 8 upon 0.8. So that you can write as 12.56 into 10 power minus 4 into 2 into 80 upon, you can write here 8. Remove decimal and increase 0. So it will be equals to 12.56 into 2. 25.12 into 10 power minus 3, that is 2.512 into 10 power minus 2 Tesla. This will be the magnetic field.